Hey guys, guess what? I decided that I'm going to start making little short videos of cleaning up where I have now moved to here in Tennessee. Everybody shows little things of missing shoes or missing gloves or missing socks. Let's do missing garbage. Think you guys can do that too? That'd be awesome. I'd love to see where you find it and what it is. People do weird things. So here's the first one. Obviously, we can't clean this up. But as you can see, I do have a trash bag. So it's not like I'm just showing it and not picking it up. So here we go. We've got Pro antifreeze, Milo's, and an oil container. Oh, look, Gatorade Zero. And of course, everyone's favorite, Bud Light. Trash.